So I guess it's time for me to water my garden because we have like a drought. Yes, I got about 250 feet of hose here. They're very light. It's made of like a fabric, very strong. So light that I like it a lot. So I gotta water. Today is my, it's time to water, huh? Dale? Dale always pull out the hose for me. He unrail it for me. So I gotta, it takes me a lot of hours to water. I'm just gonna water the vegetable garden today, and tomorrow will be the excuse me, vegetable garden and my flowers. So because I'm a little bit tired today, I went to town and did our grocery a little bit. Come home and get some to eat. Then I have to water my plants today. It's so freaking dry. Oh my goodness. Got it now?
Yeah, you're recording.
I am.
That's right.
So guys, I have to wear my long sleeve because I'm allergic to mosquitoes.
Grandma's watering her garden.
That's right. What'd you say? You're recording my butt? You want me to? You want some water, Dale? Boy, when I turned the water on, Bud got up right away.
Oh, he thought he was going to get mad.
He don't want to get wet.
I was getting wet tomorrow at 90 degrees. He's going to get wet. I'm going to get my bath. And I'm going to rub him down and put some green rinse on him so that it smells like coconut.
Oh, that sounds sexy, Bud.
Smells good and makes
Oh,
hair
shoot.
shiny.
Yeah. So Bud's gonna get a bath tomorrow, huh? But he's over there laying on the grass.
So when do you think you're going to start getting some things out of your garden?
About late summer, isn't it?
With all you got?
I got plenty, Dale. I'll water my plants, my flowers tomorrow. I got a lot of vegetables: tomato, eggplants, squash, a lot of eggplants. I got potatoes. I have Asian potatoes, purple potatoes. Guys, we're having a drought. This is my plants are not looking very good. Yeah, we really need rain. Probably over a month. Yes, dear.
go down there and water them. Dogs will get-
Yeah, you did that this morning, did you?
I think I just did one.
You can turn it off if you want, Dale.
All right, we got 4.5 minutes or better. Have a good day. Take care. Goodbye.
So I'm taking a rest and get some watermelon here. Dale got a plate of watermelon.
Gotta give Bud some.
Very, very refreshing.
Gotta eat my finger.
I got bigger than yours, I think. I'm taking a rest, guys, because I'll take my, I'll water again when I got shade on that side. It's so hot. So for now, I'm eating my big plate of watermelon. Look at him. I guess he needs a plate too, huh? My dog loves watermelon. Look at him. He's waiting. Look at it, guys. He loves watermelon. Now sit. He'll sit. Is that good, Bud? Yeah. Look at that. He's waiting. He's waiting for another piece. Okay, it's time for me to eat mine. That's a lot of watermelon, isn't it, guys? That's a big plate.
That's the last of it?
No, I still got a few big chunk in the fridge.
Good.
Get a lot of flowers on that plants right there. My centerpiece flowers on the big table. I like that color, don't you, Dale? You know what? Even it's hot, it's still cooler. Humidity is so low, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Now Dale is hungry after the watermelon. He's getting a macaroni and cheese and a big hamburger
With pepperoni on the cheese, yeah.
with pepperoni and the macaroni
And put cheese on my hamburger.
and a double cheeseburger there.
Well, it's
The
double
double.
cheese, but it's one burger.
That looks good, dear.
Well, probably it's going to be. I'm going to eat it.
All right. I think I'm done eating for the day. I'm done eating. Oh, he think he's gonna get something now.
I'll share my watermelon. I ain't sharing none of this.
Sorry about your luck, bud. That's not good for you there. There's a lot of garlic and onions on this pepperoni. I mean, macaroni. I put garlic on my macaroni and cheese, Dale.
Mm.
Can you taste it?
No,
No?
I taste the pepperoni.
Not the garlic? What do you think, bud? All right, guys. My doggy wants some. He's not allowed to eat some macaroni because there's some garlic in there. All right, guys. Thank you much for watching. Please take care of yourself and each other. And we're just gonna hang around here, hang outside when with the dog. Take care of yourself and please take.
Forgot what you were going to say, didn't you?
I forgot what I was gonna say. Please take care of yourself and each other, and I hope to see you soon, guys. And I love you. I love you all. Bye for now. Say something, Dale.
Hasta la vista.
Hasta luego.